today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook this. I don't know if some of you are aware what is this. This is Gizzard, by the way. I really like this. Okay, this is really one of my favorite Korean menu. I'm gonna show you how to clean this. I really remove the pots. It's finished. Just drain the water. All finish slicing. So I'm going to marinate now with all these ingredients. First, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes or chili powder, 1 full tablespoon of gochujang soy sauce. You can use kikuman if you don't have, so just use the data puti instead of other brand, because I've tested different soy sauce, but those are the one I mentioned is better. Brown sugar, just only 1 tablespoon for 1 kilo of Gizzard. And then I have this sesame oil. Mix this, then you can test how it if you feel satisfied, then that's the moment you can put ingredients. But first I'm gonna put the meat. Drain water already. Black pepper powder. Mix this very well. Continue mixing this, and they coated all or every piece with garlic too. Of course, this white sliced onion. This is better if you can marinate this overnight, which I always do. But if you cannot wait, then at least 2 hours to absorb the sauce. I'm gonna put in a container having a cover, and I'll put in the fridge, not in the freezer, just in the chiller. First, okay. Then cover it for 24 hours. See you later. Hey guys, I'm gonna cook now Gizzard, which I marinated for overnight. And put it now. I'm sorry guys if my light is not that good because it's brown out. It's timely. Yeah, but then I have to cook this. I mix this and cover. While waiting for my Gizzard to be softer, I'm gonna make here to be very careful because it's dark and I have no power supply. This is spring onion also. It's for garnish. Cayenne. Okay, start bubbling now. Just leave this boil until or simmer for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now this is already good, but I want to make sure that the gizzard is perfectly soft. Though it's good to eat with a crunchy one. You see this? I'm gonna show you. Alright. Check. This is the Gizzard. It looks like not Gizzard anymore. It looks like flour. Okay. Cover. And just lower the fire for about 7 to 10 minutes. Since it's about time, check finally. This is really soft. It's soft already, and this is the time I'm going to put the big cereals. Check first this one. So yummy. I'm gonna add the carrots. I didn't have to cook the carrots because it's really good to eat crunchy again. I love its sauce. You can even eat this with fresh cayenne. Lastly, garnish with. You see how colorful Is the Gizzard or Gizzard. A Korean menu again. A super hot and spicy. Again, I'm gonna bring. Let's enjoy it, guys. Eating.